Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate fish in Fisch. First, ensure your game version supports console commands. This is crucial for the process. You will also need your fish tank to be at least half full, providing enough space for new inhabitants. Furthermore, having a small amount of in-game currency on hand can smooth the process, as some initial actions might incur a minor fee. This preparation ensures a successful duplication experience. To begin, open the developer console within the game. Usually, this is done by pressing the tilde key, found just above the tab key on most keyboards. Once the console window appears, displaying a blinking cursor, you are ready for the next step. Then, type Enable Cheats True into the console and simply press Enter. This command activates the special functions necessary for our duplication method, opening up new possibilities in your game. Now, target the specific fish you wish to duplicate. Simply click on it with your mouse to select it. With your desired fish highlighted, return to the console and type Duplicate Fish followed by a space and the number of copies you want. For example, to create 5 new fish, you would type Duplicate Fish 5. Remember, you can duplicate up to 10 additional fish at one time, creating a bustling new environment. After entering the command, visually check your fish tank to confirm that the duplicated fish have appeared. Sometimes, it might take a few seconds for the new fish to fully render and swim around naturally within your aquarium. If you encounter any issues, such as missing fish or an error message, carefully recheck the console commands for any typos or incorrect spacing. Patience and accuracy are key to a thriving, expanded aquatic collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.